Whatever.
Shave and a haircut. 2 pence.
I didn't know this was hard.
Did you know the words to that? Did y'all know the words to that? We could be clapping to link up audio, or we could just like a shave and a haircut.
For 2 pence.
Ew. Welcome to Workouts at Home, where we teach you how to get in shape.
At home.
That's how it goes.
Not clapped.
Yeah, everything we do here is able to be done at home. You know how we know that?
We're at home.
Because we're at home, and so this is very purposeful. We don't go to a gym, not because we hate gyms, but because we have lots of kids, and we work, and we're tired, and we can't make it to a gym all the time. But we want to stay in shape, and so we do that at home. And we're showing you how to do it as well. So today is a part of a special series all about building muscle, and now it's all abs. You say, Justin, did you spritz yourself down? No, I didn't. We just got done doing HIIT cardio for building muscle. If you haven't tried that, go try that video.
He barely made it.
I'm not kidding. Watch
he picked too heavy of a weight, in my opinion.
Picked too heavy of a weight. I picked the right weight.
It was for muscle building.
Okay, so today it's all about abs. Here's what we got. 10 exercises. Did we show them the 10 exercises?
Let's just run through what they are. And the things that need to be set up, we'll tell them what to set up.
It's good thinking. So here's what we're doing. Kneeling ab crunch. You'll need a band at the top of your door. You're going to get on your knees. You're going to hold your hands to your temples, and you're going to crunch. Okay? So that's going to be kneeling crunches. So heavy band at the top of your door, or as heavy as you can go. After that, we're going to go plank knee in. So you're going to hold a plank push-up position, and you're going to bring your right knee to your right elbow, left knee to your left elbow.
So you don't need any equipment for that.
No equipment for that one. Reverse crunch, and we're going to go to help build muscle. We're going to go resisted reverse crunch. So slide, you'll need a band at the bottom door. This needs to be a light band because this will be pretty hard. Slip your bands over your feet. You could even, if you had handles, if you don't have ankle straps, just slip those over your feet, and then you're going to pull back towards you. Okay, so that's going to be a resisted reverse crunch, and then we're going to go slow bicycles. So that's not resisted, that's just going to be a bicycle, but we're going to go nice and slow, 1 count for each one. And then we're going to do hip dips on the left, hip dips on the right. So that's a plank on one side, dropping your hip to the floor and raising it up. We'll show you when we get there. Oblique crunches on the left, oblique crunches on the right. Thrusters, which is the bottom half of a burpee. So we'll be in push-up position. You're going to pull in both feet, push out both feet. And lastly, for an all abs burn at the end,
I'm against this one.
V-ups at the end. All of these today are emom. They're all emom, every minute on the minute. So here's the goal, 25 reps in 1 minute. If you get done your 25 reps in 10 seconds, because you're like a
beast, you got 50 seconds of rest.
Right. If it takes you 50 seconds, then you only get 10 seconds of rest, okay?
So it's incentive to get done so you can rest.
Right, so it's 25 reps every minute. So 25 reps of kneeling crunch, 25 reps of plank knee-ins, 25 reps of reverse crunch, and we'll do that every minute. You'll hear the bell go. You don't have to set up your timer because we set up ours.
So just follow us. The workouts will be across the bottom of the screen as we get to them.
Yep.
And you should have all your things set up by now because we've talked for a while.
That's right. So here we go. Kneeling crunch to start. Band at the top. You got 25 seconds to get 25 kneeling crunches. Yeah, take your elbows to the floor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Be powerful. 8, 9,
get your butt
10.
down
Be explosive.
on top of your
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm using 30 pounds. 17.
I've got a 23-pound band.
19.
If you've got a door anchor,
1,
make sure you lock that door.
3, 4, 25. All right, that's 25 seconds left. You're going to go plank knee in, so that's going to be push-up position. Then you're going to pull your knees in, right knee to right elbow. Hey, what if you want to do all of these in a series? We've got them in a playlist, all of these 10-minute muscle-building workouts, but what about if you wanted them in a series? The answer to that question is go to Patreon. It's pretty inexpensive. You can get the whole calendar.
All right, so bring your left knee in, right knee in. That's 1. Left, right, 2. Left, right, 3. Left, right, 4. Left, right.
5.
Keep your abs in tight. Hold that stomach in.
6. Keep your butt down. None of this.
9.
This is no good.
9.
Down level. Hold
10,
tight.
11, 12. 12, 13,
You better speed it up.
13, 14, 14, 15, 15,
Gosh, I'm
16,
running.
16, 17, woo-wee!
17, 18, 18, 19, 19,
Lean
20,
forward onto your
20,
hands.
21,
Lean up over
21,
your hands a little bit.
22, 22,
Woo!
23,
We'll barely get this
23,
one done.
24, 24, 25, 25. Oh.
All right.
4 seconds. Slip your bands over your feet.
Top of your toes.
Slide back. It's okay. I know the bell rang, but we got 25 reps in 1 minute. That's the goal. Slide back far enough. You got some tension on your bands. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Breathe out when you flow
6,
in. Breathe
7,
in when your feet come
8,
out.
9,
I owe you a
10,
rep.
11, 12,
I had to take a little rest.
14.
If you are a rock star, put your hands behind your head or out. If you want to protect your lower back, get your hands up under your rear end. Got my extra rep in that I owed you.
23, 24, 25.
All right,
Ow.
slip your bands off of your feet. You are done with your bands.
Slow bicycles. Hey, here's what you want to think about with a bicycle. This is not about, let me show you real quick. It's not this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not it. We want to go elbow to touch the ground. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6.
Don't pull on your
7,
neck. Just have your hands
7,
back there so
8,
that you have a guide of
8,
how far to twist.
9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11. Whew. Take a break.
I did. I took a break. I only missed one though. 12,
Up.
12,
13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16. We're going to have to go faster.
and the team.
Here we go. Ready? We're going to go a little faster.
Yep.
18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 4, 25, 25.
Woo. That was about 25. All right, you got a couple
About
seconds of
20
break.
seconds. Hip dips up onto your elbow on one side.
And go up and down for 25 reps.
2,
Let's
3,
say that you're not all
4,
that great at this exercise.
5,
You can bend
6,
your bottom leg
7,
and keep your top leg straight
9,
for
10,
support.
11,
Otherwise,
12.
put both feet together and lock those knees. You want them nice and straight. You can put your arm up or you can put your arm on your hip. Either way will work.
2, 3, 4, 25.
Hip dips on the other side.
On the other side.
All right, so flip it over. You got 20 seconds of rest if you're done. Which is kind of nice, isn't it? Take a
Suppose
slow.
you want to be facing this way.
Yeah.
All right.
Why? Am I facing the wrong way?
I think you might be. I don't know.
I was
Can you
on
see
my
me
left.
on the map?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
2, 1, and up
Other
we go.
side. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Here's the modification again.
6,
Bend
7,
your bottom leg.
8, 9,
Take your hip down.
10,
You
11,
still get that work in that muscle.
13, 14,
It's just less weight on that muscle
16,
to make it a little bit easier
19,
if you're just starting out.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
If you have any questions about any of the exercises, don't hesitate to ask below in the comments. Or on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, then you can ask us there.
All right. You know what we're chilling? Because we got 25 seconds. Well,
We
15
have.
now.
We have oblique crunches next, so you get to lay down for this one.
So let me just, you got 10 seconds, but here's how you're going to do it. On your back and drop your knees to the right.
Keep your knees together.
Don't push them all the way down. Just start from the
Up we
top, let them fall. We're going to crunch. Push your oblique into your hip. That's the side of your stomach.
You
Push
can
into your hip. 3.
lay
We're
your
going to go faster.
hands
4,
on your
5,
oblique,
6,
and you can feel
7,
it working
8,
when you lay
9,
back.
10. If you're tugging on your head, grab your collar. 12,
We don't want you to hurt
13,
yourself trying
14,
to get into shape
15,
or
16,
maintain
17,
a physique.
18, 19, 20, 21.
You all keep it up. You almost get 20-second break.
5.
That's it.
Oh, 20-second break. Hey, tell us about yourself. Where are you from? What's your ages? Where you're at fitness-wise? Are you trying to get in shape? Are you in shape and trying to stay in shape? You're trying to lose weight? Are you trying to build muscle? One thing we're trying to show you all here is that you can do both. We work out together and both accomplish opposite goals. She wants to trim down, drop it to the side. I want to bulk up. 2, 3.
Even though we have
4,
different goals, we can
5,
still work out together.
6,
it just depends on the amount of
8,
weight that you
9,
push
10,
on what you do.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
And you keep hearing abs are made in the
19,
kitchen, so keep in mind, after this
1,
workout, you don't want to
2,
go bingy because you
3,
worked out.
4,
You want to go up
25.
or go into your kitchen and you want to make something healthy. Get you a protein shake.
Oh.
Get some eggs.
Okay. Thrusters.
Something good.
It's a push-up. It's a push-up. And then you're going to pull in your knees, jump in. So it's in and out. In and out. Both at the same time. Somebody pick 25. It's got to be Sarah. Here we go. And
We're going to get
1,
cardio while we work our
2,
abs.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Hold your stomach
7,
in.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Put your
13,
weight on your front
14,
hands. Your front hands, not like you have back hands.
16,
Push your weight
17,
towards the front
18,
onto your hands. Shoot.
19,
I'm too behind.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
I'm too behind. So I'm going to go for 1, 2. Woo.
And I
Some
know this was
genius-
Sarah.
Some genius picked V-ups.
V-ups to end it all. You got 10 seconds. V-ups.
You got to prepare yourself mentally for these.
You know how to do it. Put your feet together in the front, hands together in the back. Up.
What's
and I'm
the
counting
secret?
that rep. That's 1,
The secret is to just do it.
2,
Yes, it's hard.
4, 5, 6, 7.
How
Show them
did I
on
get
5
a
again.
Oh, I call them U-ups.
U-up. Do a U-up. Like this. See this? See what she's doing?
This is the way I like to do them.
Okay. I get back to it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ah, it's burning.
All right.
I've got
18,
8 to go
19,
and 20 seconds to do it.
20.
Shoot, you're above me. 19,
Yeah, I kept going.
20, 21,
1,
2, 23,
yeah.
4, 25. Oh.
Yes, I struggled with those last 5 reps, but I did them anyway.
Oh.
They were a challenge.
If you're not done, finish it up.
Go.
Well, you're done now.
Or you can just be like us and go ahead and finish those 25 reps
Okay.
and be
How
happy.
did that feel? I started out with sweat from,
A cardio workout, and now you're dying of sweat from an ab workout.
I'm pretty sure that ab workout just made me pour sweat. Okay. You got a whole workout series here. Abs, cardio, back, shoulders, arms, chest, legs, and even a stretch. Go subscribe to the Patreon, get the full calendar, try it for yourself. We hope you guys are enjoying it. And if you haven't already, hit the like button.
And go hit a stretch video. You need that next.
And we got all these ands.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
If you subscribe and hit the little bell, you'll know when we put out a new video at least
Yep.
twice a week. How awesome is that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching.
We gotta go.
Yeah.